We were just bored, I guess.
No, we were bored.
Yeah, we were bored.
Not really, I guess. We are bored.
We are bored. We have nothing to do.
So it's like a nice day outside. Then we're here. Basically, that's where it all started. We watched a video about two guys freestyling and just mocking each other in Tagalog.
Ang sagwa kasi ng flow mo at ang taba-taba-taba mo, bakit di ka pa magbago? Mukha ka ng gago!
And then it went really big because it's not really a new thing for people to actually argue or like, you know, parang ganun, in a debate kind of style. The root of that kind of freestyle thing, battle that they have. Because before, there's already this like freestyle kind of thing called Balagtasan.
Hanggang dito, ngayon, tinatapos na. Ito ka nagtatang hiling sa amin. Kung sakaling gagawin sukat pulutin ang baston, ang maling pulutin.
And then it just happened to be like modernized into like the topics that they discuss, the way they talk, the words that they use. Actually, it's more modern. Unlike before, it's too formal.
And it's different because I never knew Filipino hip hop to be like that. I never knew you can actually rap in Tagalog.
Well, yeah, you could.
Na mga linya ko't sinasabayan dahil angkop lang sa panlasa di mababadoy yan. Pinagdaanan ng iba't ibang klase ng laro. 5 taong naglakbay upang aking matamo.
But the fact that hip hop transcended and translated so well in Tagalog that I was surprised and I was kind of, I guess you could say, caught off guard because, I mean, to be honest, when like a second-gen Filipino like me, with the limited interactions and exposures I have with Filipino culture, pop culture, I didn't think hip-hop existed like that. I mean, when I thought of hip-hop, it was kind of like this. I thought like mostly that's what you know, I think of Filipino culture. I didn't think hip hop can be so like this.
Huwag kayong magulat na parang narinig ang kulog na nanggaling sa mga ulap dahil sa sandaling kayo yung kumarap, sigurado nakabalot na ang mga labi niya sa inyong mga burat.
Pero at first glance, when people look at it, you know, bastusan lang. Nag-aasar. Yung anong gusto my relationship.
But because it's like basically insulting, and the first one who actually caves.
And there's
you get distracted, I guess.
And then there's points for punchlines and whoever can get the crowd going.
But the thing is, you lose your cool and you get distracted every time they say something.
Exactly, and that's the point.
Pag pikit ko sa gabi, pag tingin ko madilim sa mga panaginip ko na hindi, wag. Pwede mo i-edit, diba?
Oh. Nasa bilibid na ang nanay nito kasi binuha niya isang pangit ng impacto. Ito, ang baho mo tol, maligo ka na. Sa dilim ng balat mo, mag-Vicky-Bello ka pa.
Yung ganon. Yeah. It's like that. Then I feel hurt na, tangina mo!
Yun!
Putangina mo! Kahit mo, kala mo kung sino ka? Kala mo kung napaka-pogi mo na ang galing-galing mo, mukha ka ng tanga. Para kang gago na nakita ko kanina doon sa may eskinita na walang pera na naglilimos sa mga madla na humihingi ng pagkain pero walang pumapansin sa'yo dahil mukha kang tanga. Ganun.
O yun, ganun.